the best garlic bread you've ever had? Let's find out. It's savory, it's spicy, buttery, garlic. Let's go make this. So we got a bowl. We're gonna go ahead and pop 2 cups of room temperature butter inside there. It's been sitting out all day. Make sure you do this. We don't want our butter to melt until it's on a bread. We're gonna get our serrano peppers. Do a thin slice on here. We're gonna go 2. This is gonna make it pretty spicy, so if you do not have a household full of people that like spice, probably wanna go a little less, if not put any serranos in there. So, got that chopped, and then what I'm actually gonna do is get another chop inside of there, and our oven is ready for the bread. So, go ahead and pop all of our peppers back into the butter. We're gonna grab our parsley. We're gonna be using about that much. It's about a 1/4 cup, finely chopped. Again, just like with cilantro, the more you bunch it up and chop it, the easier it'll be. Once you get it chopped done one way, turn your knife 90 degrees, and we'll work our way across it. And with this style, we want a nice rough chop. You don't want it super fine. It's like our parsley. Plop that guy in there. Now, best part, we have our air fried, roasted head of garlic. We're gonna open this up. This is what will set your garlic bread apart. As you see that awesome squeeze of garlic, we wanna make sure we get all of that in there because there's no such thing as too much garlic. Make sure you don't get the skin in there. Now that we have all this, let's go ahead and mix it up. Make sure that you let your garlic cool before you add it to here because it will make the butter melt. So you want that garlic back down close to room temperature. The biggest thing with this, we wanna make sure we break up all of that roasted garlic nice and good, or else you're gonna get a giant chunk of garlic in a bite. One of the things you can do too, give it a nice little press against the side of the bowl, make sure it is good to go. We're gonna continue, make sure we break up that garlic. All right guys, as you can see right there, we got it nice mixed up. Garlic's good, broken apart throughout here, got a good even ratio. So, we got our bread right here. And chop her in half. Take our top half, set it to the side. We're gonna spread this mixture. Going nice and thick like. Look at that. Place that back, we grab our top half. We got just enough to be able to hit both these things. Everyone in the household nice and happy. We're gonna have plenty of this roasted spicy garlic bread. Another fun one because I've never made this before. Nice and even coating of bread. Now that we got that, we have some freshly grated Parmesan cheese that we're gonna be coating on the top of this right here. All right, we have these all toasted up 350 degrees until it's nice toasty and your cheese starts to brown on top. Let's go throw them inside the oven. We'll see once it's done. All right guys, 375. I know I said 350 earlier. We're bumping it up a little bit higher. Let's throw this in. And again, we want to wait until that cheese is nice, melted, and turn a little bit of brown. We'll see once it's done. Look at that right there. Looks and smells absolutely phenomenal. Give her a cut, see what it looks like. Oh yeah. Just look at that. You got that layer of cheese right across the top. You got the butter deep down inside the bread. It's phenomenal. It's also super hot, so I'm gonna let it cool off for just a minute and then we'll try it out. It's savory, it's spicy, buttery, garlic. The best garlic bread you've ever had.